What is the area of largest square that is inscribed in a semicircle of radius 10 centimeters? So we got a square here and it is inscribed in a circle, and this is the radius of the circle from center to the circle. This is the radius. Now he is asking this value is 10 centimeters, right? So the diameter will be, this is another 10 centimeters. So let's say the side of square is A, okay? Then what will be the diameter of the square? Of course this is a right angle triangle, so this is A, and we just need the value of diameter, that is root 2a. We can use it, we can get it using Pythagoras theorem also. A square plus a square is equal to whatever the diameter is, d square, so it becomes root 2a d. That's right. Now we know this value, this is 10 plus 10. Now a becomes 20 by root 2. This is equal to 10 into 2, 10 root 2, right? Now we got the side. Now what is the area of the square? That is a square, that is 10 root 2 whole square. So 100 into 2, that is equal to 200. The area of the largest square that can be inscribed in a semicircle, and I have done for circle so far. Now we will just do it for semicircle, okay? So this is a diagram we get when we try to get maximum square out of a semicircle. So this is a semicircle and we have inscribed a square of maximum area. So this is the center of the circle, and this will be the midpoint of any side of the square. So the length will be a by 2 and all the lengths are equal. So this is a, this is a, this will be half. Now this is radius. So we will just find the a square value by using so this is definitely a right angle triangle. So let's use Pythagoras theorem, that is a square plus a by 2 whole square equals to r square. R we know that it's 10, so it becomes 100. Now a square plus a square by 4, that becomes 5 by 4 a square equals to 100. 5 2s are, a square becomes 80. This is what we want because they have asked area is a square and we got 80. Let's try an easy problem which has been repeated many times. So they are asking how will you write 7.45 hours, 7.45 hours in minutes and seconds, okay? So 7 hours is 7 hours, so let's leave that. So 0.45 hours, how do we convert this into minutes and seconds? So 0.45 hours to convert into minutes, you just multiply it with 60, right, to get it into minutes. Now what do we get? 45 by 100 into 60. Now 6 2 5s are, 2 3s are, now 5 9s are, now 9 3s are 27 minutes. So 7 hours 27 minutes. That's right. What is Ram's average speed if he goes from point X to point Y at 8 kilometers per hour and returns from point Y to point X at 12 kilometers per hour? So they are asking what is the average. So I'll just tell you how not to do this problem. Whenever you think of average, you just tend to do something like a plus b by 2. In this case 8 plus 12 by 2, you get 20 by 2. I'm actually surprised why they didn't give this option, but anyway, this is the wrong method. You are not supposed to do. So whenever they ask to find the value of average speed, you need to find total distance by total time. I'll just write down average speed is always equals to total distance by total time. Just memorize this. So here he has traveled same distance. Let's say from point x to y, distance is some a. So total distance is a plus a for returning also. Now total time. What is time? Time is distance by speed. How did I get this? Speed equal to distance by time. So distance is a by speed. So 8. Again distance is 8 by speed 12. So what do we get? A gets cancelled. So numerator we get 2 and we get 8 into 12 by 8 plus 12. So denominator we get 20, numerator we get 2 is there, 8 is there, 12 is there. So we can cancel with 2, then it becomes 10. So 8 into 12. We can cancel further, I guess, or we can just multiply it. 8 2s are 16, 1, 8 1s are 8, 9 by 10. This becomes 9.6 kilometers per hour. And okay, this is just the conceptual part. The shortcut part is there is directly a formula 2ab by a plus b. So you can simply substitute like 2 into 8 into 12 by 12 plus 8, which we eventually got. You will get the same answer. 2/5 of Narendra's salary is equal to Amit's salary, and 7/9 of Amit's salary is equal to Arun's salary. So okay, so we take some notations first. We will take Narendra as N, then Amit as AM and Arun as AR. Okay. Now 2/5 of Namit's salary is equals to Amit's salary. So it is just Amit. Now 7/9 of Amit's salary is equals to Arun's salary. If the sum of salaries, so this plus this is equals to 770 bucks. What is the respective salaries of Narendra, Amit and Arun? So we will just convert it and see how we get the answer. So we will convert everything into Amit's salary. So from this, Amit's salary becomes 5/2 of Amit's, right? And from here Arun's salary, we already have this fraction, so we'll just substitute it. It becomes 5/2 Amit plus another Amit, but this is 7/9 Amit. This is equal to 770. This is what he has given us. Now yeah, so if you take LCM, we get 18. Just take Amit common, then 9 5s are 45 plus 18 plus, now what do we get here, 7 2s are 14, becomes 770. So I'm assuming something will cancel here. So 45 plus 18, 63, 73, 77. Okay, we got 77. That's lucky. 77 ones are 10s are. So Amit's salary becomes, or share becomes 180. Now you just substitute this and you will get the remaining values. From here Amit's salary becomes 2 9s and 9 5s are 450. Then Arun's salary becomes, just substitute 180, 9 2s are 7 2s are 140. So Namit's 450, 180, 140. This is the answer. We have to study the following and try to answer it. So the shape belongs to artists. These are artists, and the circle is belonging to players, and this triangle is belonging to doctors. Okay, now how many doctors are neither artists nor players? So we know these are all doctors, right? So let's highlight them. These are all doctors, right? So there are 4 doctors, 3 doctors, 17 doctors, 8 doctors. How many doctors are neither artists nor players? So where are artists? So these are all artists. So whichever is overlapping with artist, so this part is not there. This entire part he is not asking because we don't want artists, but they are doctors. So this part is ignored, and he is telling they are not players also. So whoever are there in circle, they are players. Okay, so we'll highlight them also. So we don't want this also actually. Okay, so he is asking only the part where they are doctors. This entire triangle is doctors, but he doesn't want this part and this part. So the remaining part is 17. That is what he is asking. 17. Another simple question. An article is bought for 240 bucks, 240 rupees. Then it's selling. He is asking selling price, so that there is a profit of 10%. So you can always do like this. Profit is 10%, right? Then this is equals to 10 by 100. So it becomes 1 by 10. So if cost price is 10 rupees, then there is a profit of 1 rupee. Then selling price becomes selling price becomes 11 rupees. Cost price plus profit, right? Now what should be the selling price he is asking? So the cost price is 250. If cost price is 10 rupees, selling price is 11. If cost price is 250, what is the selling price he is asking? So we get 11 by 10 into 250, 25. So it's 250 plus 25, that becomes 275.